Hello, me little puppets. It's me, Esther again, and I am once again doing the troll time for Refashionista Sheri. But before we get into it, I want to say a big thank you for choosing this fantastic house dress. You know, Sheri recently had a poll. She did it from the thrift store to figure out what summertime house dress she should get for me, and you lovely people chose this one. It is fantastic. It is so 1960s beautiful, and it has pockets, and it's very comfortable. So thank you so much for choosing this beautiful new to me house dress. Okay, on to today's troll. And today's troll is actually a man. Although I don't know how much of a man or even human you can possibly be when you go around leaving terrible, terrible comments on strangers' videos and content online. But I digress. Here we go. So this is from Dustin. And Dustin says,
I wouldn't let my wife wear any of the things you make. It's all ugly and not appropriate for your age.
Okay, little Dustin. Or should I call you Dusty? Can I call you Dusty? Because clearly you have a little bit of a problem with your maturity level. So I think maybe that might have been your nickname as a child. So let's just call you Dusty. Okay, so my little Dusty man. Now, I'm not sure how you would have come to see Refashionista Sheri's videos, but I'm thinking, in my mind, maybe you walked in on your wife and she was making something, or she was enjoying a video and you thought you had to bring in your 2 cents and maybe criticize her as well. So your household must be a barrel of laughs, isn't it? That's just a lovely, lovely place to live when you are so controlling of everybody, even trying to control strangers online. Now, let's have a think a little bit. People and their clothing. Your clothing should express who you are and make you feel good to wear it. And so why does that concern you? You are not even in the same country as Refashionista Sheri. She is not known to you personally, so why do you care? Is it perhaps that maybe because she's putting out there positivity, age positivity, body positivity, and your wife started being a little bit more positive, and you didn't like that because you were losing control, or you felt you were? Well, you know what happened to my lovely, lovely husband when he started to control me? Let's just say that, rest his soul and all that, but since he's been gone, my roses in my backyard, I look absolutely fantastic. And that's all I'm going to say about that, because I don't want to incriminate myself. But suffice to say, being a controlling is not the way to go through life. So I suggest look in your own closet. Sheri has a whole book about DIYs for guys, as well as a whole section on her blog with free tutorials, so you yourself can go and upcycle and refashion and create your own unique style as well, Dusty. So let's take a moment now and talk about what's going on in the world a little bit. And let's take a think that maybe your beliefs and your thoughts should never be forced on someone else. And again, do that whole do unto others as you would have them do unto you. The golden rule, right? And so if you don't want someone to tell you how to act, how to think, how to dress, how to be, then don't do it to them. And definitely don't try to control what happens with someone else's body. It is not yours to control, you psychos. Okay, so I'm getting a little bit heated right now. So I think it's time to say, stay safe, stay well, please, and Sheri and I will catch you on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.